Hi.
Hello.
We were at the TantraNova Advanced Workshop called SPARK.
Yes, and we loved it.
We had a great time because when we first got here, we were like having conflicts about our maybe different sexual energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And not understanding why we felt so differently. But through doing this workshop, we got to understand feminine sexual energy and how it's different from masculine sexual energy. And masculine sexual energy isn't bad.
No, it's not.
It's actually very good.
It's very good. And the way you can channel the energy. Whoa!
Yes.
Yeah.
It makes it even better. And the thing was,
I never thought of the possibilities that happened in this workshop.
And this is something that you have to experience.
Yes.
But what I was going to say about feminine sexual energy is that it needs to be awakened, and it's capricious, and it's gentle, and it can be fiery, but you can't force it. And in this workshop, I learned that.
So did I.
Yeah.
I learned that about even like controlling aspects that I have within me, how to kind of put them at bay and be within myself.
Yeah, so we found it very grounding, and we appreciated the context. It was spiritual without being religious or weird. And I just emerged feeling empowered and in love with myself and my body, and also very appreciative of my partner, this guy.
And I felt I felt empowered. And I think one of the highlights for me was our declaration that we made of loving one another.
Yes. So we were already married when we got here, but we really got married through the course of the workshop. We made a commitment to each other and to our relationship and our bubble of intimacy that we can take with us.